What's up, guys? Back in the car. Blue Zell is up over 100% today. I woke up to some gains. I took some profits. I'm swing trading it. It's a microcap crypto in a very hot narrative niche that I do believe will take off. Game finance, blockchain gaming. That is where Blue Zell's utility lies. It's essentially a decentralized data blockchain storage network. I know that's a lot. It's an ETH token on Coinbase, but it's also a layer one. It's very confusing. I know it sounds very confusing, but decentralized data, we're in the data era, in my opinion. Everything is about data, preserving your data, securing your data. I really believe we're in the information age. We've been there for quite some time. The world was shifting to virtual many years ago. That's why in 2020, when the pandemic hit here in the US, Amazon did so well, because nobody was just going out into the physical world, going to the mall. Everybody wanted to do everything online. They wanted to buy things, put their credit cards, everything was online, right? And I don't think we're changing directions from that, direction anytime soon. So Blue Zell, it's in a niche, it's in Web3, game finance, and these are narratives that we have not yet have experienced in the crypto market. Right now, everybody's talking about layer ones, ISO, layer twos. Eventually at some point, I see interoperability taking place. I see decentralized data storage network cryptos coming into the spotlight. I see Web3 coming into the spotlight. And if you believe in blockchain gaming, you have to believe in game finance. Just think about it, right? If you're going to play blockchain gaming, you're going to have NFTs. You're going to be storing items, your data. And where are you going to do this? You're going to be storing this in a decentralized data locker, if you will, right? Because if you don't, you're going to be prone to hacks, people draining you of NFTs, stealing your information, and that's where Blue Zell's utility comes in. But also as a blockchain, it has a 10,000 TPS, transactions per second. So it's very fast as a layer 1 too. It's in Cosmos ecosystem. And someone asked me the other day, how do you feel about Cosmos? I'm pretty bullish on Cosmos. I think it's going to do well. But Blue Zell, especially in the game finance sector, I think is going to do very well. I think a lot of gamers are going to use it. I think software developers who want to store information, or their decentralized applications, which are DeFi apps, they're going to look to use Blue Zell. They're going to look to keep their information stored on decentralized servers. So Blue Zell, to me, I'm not surprised it ran up over 100% in the last 24 hours. I told you guys, microcap cryptos can run up like that, and they always go against Bitcoin. Always, because there's low liquidity flowing through it. And this is the thing. When I covered Blue Zell recently, I had so many comments saying, oh, the chart is a scam. It looks like a horrible crypto. It's been around since 2018. It's not going anywhere. And then boom, it shoots up like this. This is why I tell you guys, utility plays take time. I understand charts have their place when it comes to evaluating crypto, but you can't use them as the basis as 100% of your research, because you're going to miss out on some plays like this. Most of the time, utility play cryptos or any investment, utility takes time. They have to market. They got to have finished products. They got to have clients that want to use it. These things take time. Sometimes you want to be in the fast moving car. You don't want to, invest into something and wait a year, but sometimes it takes time to make profits. Like Blue Zell, I bought this many, many months ago, and I was sitting. It was just like this. And then today I was rewarded with my patience of holding, and I was up over, 2x. And I took some profits. If you guys want to see when I take profits or buy, sell, or trade any crypto, or you just want to talk to me, run your portfolio by me, talk to other investors, other sharks, feel free to join my Patreon and Discord. I'll have it linked in the pinned comments down below. Would love to see you there. But that being said, it's always a great time to make money in a bear market. Made some money with quants, made some money with LCX, now I made some money with Blue Zell. And I'm not here to say I told you so, whatever. I'm not like that. I'm just telling you guys, you gotta have patience in this game. If you're constantly swapping crypto because they're not moving yesterday, or because you're holding it for 2 weeks and it's going down 10%, then why are you investing into that crypto? You shouldn't be investing just based on price action and charts. Invest on other metrics, right? The utility, who's behind it? What's the competition like? Is it in a nice niche? Is it in a hot narrative? Can you see it be used to a high extent in the future? This is why I invested into Blue Zell many months back. Game finance, I believe, is going to be huge. Just like people believe in DeFi, decentralized finance, and blockchain gaming, it's all connected. It's all connected. And so when you think of blockchain gaming one day being very popular, what do you think is going to be popular with blockchain gaming? NFTs, information storage, DeFi apps. How do you make sure those are secure in a safe place? Decentralized storage networks. And Blue Zell is that storage network, but it's also a blockchain. It's scalable. So this is very nice to see. I'm very happy that Blue Zell is pumping up. As far as what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy back in. I told my Discord members I'm swing trading it. Usually what I do at micros, some microcaps anyway, when they ride up like this, 2x, 3x, whatever, I take profits and then I have two end goals with this strategy. I either buy back in when they come back down, or if they just keep ripping it, I put it into my utility plays, the other blue chip cryptos that are down. And that was a big reason why I took profits on Blue Zell today, was because Caspa's down, Quant's down. A lot of my utility altcoins, my blue chip cryptos that I've been bullish on for so long, they're down right now. And so if it doesn't, come back down, then I can put my money in profits into those cryptos. But I am looking to buy back into Blue Zell and buy a much cheaper discount and improve my average. That's the main focus when it comes to me swing trading micros. This is why I say too, don't be 100% a trader. I do trade cryptos, but it's cryptos I'm willing to part with. If Blue Zell were to go to $1 tomorrow, even though I'd be a little upset that I didn't hold on to it long enough, I'm okay because I made profits, and at the end of the day, profits is profits, and I'll be rolling into another crypto that is down to improve my average. So this is the thing. You can trade. Obviously, I made a trade here. I don't trade a lot. It's like 5% of my portfolio I might trade, and it's always like cryptos that I'm okay with parting with. But if you're trying to make money in a bear market, sometimes you have to be looking at microcaps, because once your cryptos get to a certain market cap size, which is over $1 billion market cap, they usually become engaged and married to Bitcoin. And at that point, you're not going to see really any good price action until we see a big catalyst for that crypto, or until Bitcoin reaches, somewhat of a new all-time high. And then we see an altcoin season. People tend to confuse this all the time. They say, oh, when's the altcoin season? It comes after Bitcoin rides up. And when is Bitcoin expected to ride up? After the Bitcoin halving, about 6 months after it. So if you're trying to make money now, this is where you got to start looking at. But by no means am I telling you guys that microcaps should be 100% of your portfolio. They are risky. They are high risk, high reward plays. Anybody that tells you that every crypto is going to 1,000x and you have no risk of losing money or being rug pulled is lying to you. Do not trust them. I have no reason to lie to you guys. I don't take sponsorships, but I'm not going to tell you guys that every microcap in your portfolio is going to make you a millionaire. They're insanely risky, which is why when you see them ride up like this, it's okay, in my opinion, for what I did, to take profits and either roll it over into a blue chip crypto or buy back in when they come down. Just like they can go up really quick because there's less liquidity, they can also come down just as fast, and often do, because the whales or the team or the top wallets tend to take profits, especially if they've been waiting for a while to realize these profits and gains. So I really hope this video helped you guys. Just want to give you a little mindset, how I go about trading versus buy and hold investing. But now I want to hear from you. Are you bullish or bearish on Blue Zell? And where do you see its price this bull cycle? Drop your comment down below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Really helps so much. That being said, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.